In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Automations, how to automatically add a checklist, a set of tasks to each new project created. We'll start by getting your base ready, then build a simple automation that generates a consistent task checklist every time a new project is added. This keeps your workflow predictable and saves time on repetitive setup. First, prepare your projects table. You'll want a field for project name using single line text and a field for project owner. That can be a single select if you just want a label, or a collaborator field if you plan to assign the actual project to a specific person in Airtable. Feel free to include any other project metadata that helps your team, like type, priority, or category. Keeping these fields consistent ensures the automation can filter and populate tasks reliably. Next, confirm your tasks table is structured properly. Create a task name field as single line text for the checklist item. Add a status field as a single select with values like to do, in progress, and done so you can standardize task tracking. Most importantly, add a linked project field that links to the projects table. This is what ties each task to its parent project. If you want more detail, you can include optional fields like due date and assign to, which will let you schedule and delegate tasks as soon as they're created. With your tables ready, set up the automation. Go to Automations and create a new automation. For the trigger, choose when record created and set the table to projects. If you only want this to run for certain types of projects, add an optional condition, such as only triggering when project type equals new or any filter that matches your workflow. For the action, choose Create Records and select the Tasks table. Now map the fields. For task name, pull from your task template source so each new project gets the same standardized checklist items you already use. For status, set a default value of to do, so every new task starts in the right state. For linked project, map the record ID from the trigger, ensuring the tasks attached to the specific project that just got created. That's it. With this setup, every new project automatically receives a consistent, predefined set of tasks, neatly linked back to the project. Keep your templates up to date as your process evolves, and you'll maintain a clean, scalable workflow without manual task entry.